6 amazing health benefits of drinking ginger and lemon water daily. If you are looking for a warm, relaxing drink with health benefits and a strong taste, lemon ginger tea may be for you. It's a favorite among herbal tea drinkers. In fact, people have been drinking lemon ginger tea for hundreds and thousands of years. Ginger is a member of same plant family as cardamom and turmeric. It originated in China and India, where it was used as a tonic that was believed to have healing abilities. Lemons are famous all over the world for their sharp, sour flavor and for being an excellent source of vitamin C and antioxidants. When you combine the fresh ginger juice with fresh lemon juice, you create a powerful health tonic that can strengthen your body against all different kinds of ailments and diseases, especially when it comes to detoxifying harmful substances from your body and lowering body fat percentage. Before telling you the benefits, I wanna give you a quick recipe of this tonic. You will need 4 inch of fresh ginger, 1 whole lemon and 500 ml mineral water. The method is very simple. Use a cheese grater to shred your ginger. Do not need to remove the skin. Add this to the water, stir and refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours, allowing the ginger juice to fully infuse into the water. Use a strainer to remove the ginger fiber, leaving you with pure ginger water. Slice and squeeze the juice from the whole lemon into the ginger water. Drink this mixture on an empty stomach in the morning to begin experiencing some major improvements in your health. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any genuine medical concerns. The number 1 benefit you may get after drinking is digestion. Drinking this mixture on an empty stomach helps to clean out the digestive system and help you to absorb more nutrients from your food. This tonic is excellent for those who suffer with bloating, gas, indigestion and other digestive issues. Ginger helps to improve the function of your liver by boosting glutathione, which is the master antioxidant. After that, your liver releases more concentrated bile, which cleans out your intestines and helps to carry away waste through your colon and detoxifies harmful substances from your body. Likewise, the citric acid in lemons boosts gastric acid secretion in your stomach, which helps to break down food better, allowing you to absorb more vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, E, zinc, iron, calcium, etc. This is very helpful for those who suffer with anemia, as the vitamin C helps your body absorb more iron to make hemoglobin for your blood. Citric acid can also help to prevent the formation of kidney stones by binding to calcium oxalates and preventing them from crystallizing in your kidneys. The second benefit you may get is blood circulation. Ginger and lemon water is also one of the best remedies for boosting the circulation of blood around your body. The gingerols present in rhizome of ginger helps to block certain enzymes that are making your arteries narrow and tight. This helps the arteries to become more flexible, allowing for better blood flow and lower blood pressure. This naturally improves the health of your heart, lowering the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and blood clots. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on for my latest health and nutrition tips. Now coming back to benefit number 3, which is reduced pain and inflammation. Ginger juice has been scientifically shown to be stronger in relieving pain than most of the painkiller without any side effects. When you combine ginger juice with the anti-inflammatory properties of lemon, you get a powerhouse natural pain relief tonic. After drinking this for a few days, you may notice less aches and pains, especially in your joints and muscles because of the increased blood flow. This will reduce swelling and inflammation, helping your body to flush out excess fluids that could trigger pain. This drink is actually one of the most powerful menstrual pain remedies for women who suffer with heavy periods. So if you suffer with any kind of arthritis, chronic pain or headaches, try this mixture out for a week and see how you feel. The fourth benefit is boost immunity. Ginger has been used for thousands of years to treat cold and flu and is very effective at speeding up the life cycle of an infection. For example, if you have a cough, sinus infection, cold or a virus, you can double the dose and drink this twice per day. The powerful antioxidants, plant compounds and vitamins found in both lemon juice and ginger help to speed up the immune cells in your body. The immune cells then attack harmful invaders like viruses and bacteria in your body faster, so that you can heal at a rapid rate. Before the birth of modern medicine, these remedies were necessary in ancient cultures to help fight off diseases. The another benefit you may get after drinking this is anti-cancer. Studies also show that consuming ginger on a regular basis helps to induce autophagy. Basically, autophagy is a process where your body cleans out damaged cells and proteins and recycles them into the new healthy cells. This can reduce the risk of cells becoming cancerous. As this drink also boosts antioxidants in your body, this further protects the DNA in your cells from free radical damage. In fact, the gingerols, shogol and paradols in ginger, along with citrus juice from lemon, has all been shown to cause existing cancer cells to commit suicide, which is also called apoptosis, without harming the healthy cells. Finally, what you all have been waiting for is weight loss. If you are looking to lose weight, you must focus on lowering the fat storage hormone in your body called insulin. You can do this by following a low-carb diet, fasting, eating less frequently, and also getting more antioxidants into your diet. The antioxidant effect of ginger and lemon juice helps to lower the need for insulin in your body by improving insulin sensitivity. By reducing insulin resistance, this drink can also help to prevent or manage type 2 diabetes. Other ginger and lemon tips. In addition to the 6 key health benefits, you may also notice other changes when you drink this regularly. Ginger juice, for example, is one of the best nausea remedies and can naturally prevent morning sickness, travel sickness, motion sickness, and a general feeling of nausea. The lemon water also works with the ginger to improve the breakdown of toxins in your liver. This natural tonic has an anti-aging effect because your liver produces more glutathione and antioxidants that protect trillions of cells from free radical damage and oxidation. This drink contains trace amounts of copper and lots of real vitamin C complex which boost collagen synthesis. This will make your skin look healthier, younger and smoother and strengthen the ligaments, tendons and cartilage in your joints. When you drink it, you may notice a warming effect in your stomach. This is the gingiberine and gingerols from the ginger and is very normal. Other ways to use these ingredients. If you are in a hurry, you may not always have time to produce a fresh batch of ginger and lemon juice. So try adding these into your diet in other ways. Add some ginger powder to your stir fries, soups, marinades and curries for a quick hit of flavor and health benefits. Squeeze raw lemon juice using your hands over a salad to help you absorb more minerals and digest vegetables better. Take ginger capsule on a long journey if you have travel sickness. These are very effective. Use ginger essential oil directly on aching joints and muscles as the warming effect helps to decrease pain beneath the skin. Or simply use an electric juicer to make a ginger shot with a quick squeeze of lemon if you can tolerate the strong kick without water. Remember that these natural remedies work best when you follow a healthy lifestyle, which is low in processed foods and high in whole fruits, veggies, meats and fish. Eating refined foods like sugar, flour and vegetable oils all cause massive amounts of inflammation and will block you from getting healthy. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and as always I wish you great health, wealth and happiness. Until the next time, take care and bye-bye.